Welcome. This is a mini energizing yoga stretch and flow under 5 minutes. As always, feel free to skip any poses or modify if and when needed. We'll begin seated in any comfortable position, whatever works for you, and just circling the wrist, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. Moving in the opposite direction. Then we'll come into the neck. This time we'll just kind of rock the head side to side and forward and back. Just kind of mix it up, whatever the body needs today. And we'll come back to center. Go ahead and come into your tabletop, tuck the toes, and then just sending the hips towards the heels, reaching the hands forward, pressing the hips towards your heels if that feels okay today. Feel free to lift the hips up a little higher if this is a bit too intense. Gently shake out the toes, coming into your tabletop, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Finding some organic movement, circling the waist, rocking side to side. Again, just wherever the body takes you today. Finding a neutral spine, tuck the toes, sending the hips up for down dog. This pose will stretch out the entire back body. Feel free to bend the knees, pressing the mat away from your hands and feet. Engage that core, be strong. Perfect. Inhale, rounding through to plank, shoulders over wrists. Exhale, plant the knees, lower halfway. Inhale, untuck the toes, up dog or cobra, gentle bend in the elbows. Exhale, send the hips back for child's pose. Taking a moment here, softening the hips, the mid-back, the upper back, the shoulders. You can rest right here or walk the hands over towards the left. Hips stay in the center for a gentle side stretch here. And we'll walk the hands back through to center over towards the right. Walking the hands back to center, rounding all the way up. Take your time, resting the hands on your thighs, palms facing up. Just taking a moment here to give yourself some gratitude for showing up to the mat today. Know that a little does go a long way, and the hardest part is showing up, and you did it. Know that this space is here for you anytime that you need. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.